This is the new morning at the Fink house.
The video? Oh. Hi.
How's everybody?
We're good.
What? What's the matter? Say cheese!
Cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese. We're having a nice snuggly morning.
I see. What time did everybody get up?
7.
No, 6.
And where are you going today? Where at?
School.
School.
What do you have to do today for your homework?
You want Mama?
Rocks.
You have to get 4 things from outside to take to school.
This morning?
Well,
4 things. We're working on the number 4. Hey. Hey, guy.
Okay. Bye, everybody.
Say bye, video.
Bye. Bye.